Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Hilton Honors bonus points review watch before using. Learn how Hilton points are earned and when bonuses shine. I compare base earning, elite bonuses, and credit card categories with clear numbers and examples. You will see typical point valuations, transfer options, and scenarios where cash stays smarter. I'll explain how to calculate per night value and how to avoid devaluation pitfalls. Small habits matter. This section helps you decide whether to collect points or pay cash for a stay. Quick recommendation: if you hate stale car smells, try Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a crisp, long-lasting scent that fits any commute. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help us grow and make more reviews. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily soon. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Maximize redemptions by targeting high-value hotels and avoiding low-value conversions. I'll share sweet spots, best use cases for points, and when to combine points with cash. Learn how to stack promos, use points for family stays, and protect value against dynamic pricing. Practical examples show when 40,000 points equals a $250 stay versus a poor 10,000 point redemption. I'll also cover elite night credit nuances and off-peak pricing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.